It takes consistency to see results with herbal products. If you want to start seeing results with the herbal products, especially the ones shared on this channel, you have to be consistent. Don't just use today and then forget about it and wait for after 1 or 2 months before you revisit your herbal product. You have to be consistent. You have to use it religiously. That is, if you want to see results. Establish a consistent hair care routine. Creating a consistent routine is crucial for maintaining healthy natural hair. Determine a schedule for washing, conditioning, styling your hair, and stick to it. Consistency will help your hair adjust to a routine and thrive. From breakage to bloom, you will see your hair start flourishing. I can't lie to you and I can't deceive you. Consistency is the key when it comes to herbal products. When it comes to using herbal ingredients for your hair care, consistency is the key. You can see the results evident in my hair. My hair has grown so thick, so long, so healthy that whenever I step out, people stare at me like they will wonder if it's actually my real hair or maybe I attach some kinky extensions on my hair. No, it is my natural hair. Like I have been consistent from inception using herbal ingredients and different one at that. Looking for something to help thicken and moisturize your hair? Have you ever tried herbal teas? No, 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 not just any form of herbal tea, but some of the ones shared on this channel, especially on today's video. Now, let me tell you what herbal teas does to your hair. It helps moisturize your hair and scalp. It increases blood circulation to your scalp. It helps stimulate hair follicles. It leads to much thicker, healthier hair. Just as you can see my hair, it replaces water in your spray bottle with more potent results. Guys, for me to be sharing more of herbal teas and oils on this channel, it was from research that I found out that herbal teas are more potent than herbal mixes, like all those hair maxes that you make with herbs. Herbal teas are more potent. If you think I'm lying, you can go do your research. I have been using herbal teas for years now, over 6 years, and it's one of the easiest and mess-free ways to use Ayurveda without the smell and mess. You guys already know. It really helps moisturize and thicken your hair. It helps your hair grow healthy. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my some of my favorite herbal teas. So today, I know some of you are not familiar with this particular one, which is fennel seeds, but I want you to complete watching this video and then go do your research on fennel seeds for your hair. Guys, you can actually drink this. You can sip it in hot water and drink it. While you're applying it topically, you can also drink this as a tea first thing in the morning on empty stomach. You can add hibiscus to it. Sometimes some of you ask me, Dimma, what are the herbal teas I can drink? This is one amazing one. This is an amazing one, and you can pair it with hibiscus. Now, for my second ingredient, I have bay leaves. Now, we are going to be using bay leaves in 2 to 3 leaves. Now, for the fennel seeds, we are using 1 tablespoon. Now, if you want to make a bigger batch, that you'll be adding preservatives to, and the preservatives that I usually recommend for you guys is Germol Plus. So, for the fennel seeds, you're going to be using 1 tablespoon. That is if you're making my own batch, like I'm making about 500 ml worth of herbal tea for this recipe. So For the hibiscus, which is the third ingredient, we are going to be using 3 dry flowers. Now, if you're making more, you want to make more and store and not to be making it every week, you can make a large batch. You can multiply this into 5, into 10, depending on the batch that you want. Also multiply the ingredients. Now you're going to steep it in hot water and allow it for 12 hours. Now after 12 hours, this is what I have. You have to allow it for some time so that you can get all the benefits embedded in the herbal tea. So once it is 12 hours, you strain this and then get your potent herbal hair growth spray. Transfer this into your spray bottle. Now, I love to use my herbal teas as a leave-in. Yes, I prefer to use it as a leave-in to maybe rinse out. Not that I don't use it as rinse out, I use it as a rinse out, and I also use it as a leave-in. So I transferred it into my spray bottle, and here is how I use it on my hair for best results. Like I mentioned, I love to use it as a leave-in. Now watch what I'm going to do on this video. I apply it on my scalp and on my hair shaft, including my hair tips. Make sure to dampen it in my hair. I'm going to show you the best ways to use herbal teas on this video, so please pay more attention. Now when you spray this both on your hair shaft and your hair tips, you follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I used to add my leave-in conditioners in my herbal teas and use, but for the sake of this video, we're only talking about herbal tea, so I'm not going to be showing you all of that. So as I spray this now, the next thing that I'm going to do is to apply my leave-in conditioner. After that, I follow up with my hair pomade. What do I call hair pomade? The herbal hair growth grease that we make on this channel. You can scroll to my previous videos to see how I make hair pomade. Another thing that I want to let you know is that I don't do hair butters anymore, because I have found a more better ways to make my sealants more potent and more effective than whipping it. So the best way is by using it as a pomade, hair grease, making your own hair grease at home with herbs. So that's all for this video. Please ask more questions in the comment section, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.